Hey everybody, it's Ashley from my YouTube channel, Ashley Clady, and today I'm here to show you how to use the new Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Peppermint Oil Cooling Jelly Conditioner. This jelly conditioner is soothing, detoxifying, and hydrating for your hair. The first step is to start off with clean hair. I am using the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo from the same line. After your hair is nice and clean, you want to apply 1 to 2 quarter-size amount of conditioner to your hair from root to tip. Once it's evenly distributed, you want to massage it for 15 to 30 seconds. This conditioner contains a lightweight blend of coconut oil and panthenol to condition and hydrate the scalp and hair. The cooling jelly texture format enhances the soothing benefits of this conditioner for a refreshing and scalp healing experience. This soothing, detoxifying, and hydrating formula contains Binchotan charcoal, which detoxifies the hair and scalp by absorbing impurities and product buildup. Peppermint and spearmint oils soothe itchiness and maintain a healthy scalp pH. Tea tree oil reduces flakiness and itchiness. Biotin strengthens the hair follicle to reduce hair loss. Now you want to rinse thoroughly, and then I love to follow up using the Scalp Revival Scalp Treatment for added hydration, soothing, and detoxifying benefits. Then you're ready to style. In a variable versus control study, scalp hydration was observed to last 4 times longer after 1 use of the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Peppermint Oil Cooling Jelly Conditioner. And like all Briogeo products, the scalp treatment is 6-free, so you know that you're providing your hair with the best treatment. Thank you so much for watching.